How to unblock people on Snapchat. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Snapchat application on your device. And if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to log into the account in which you want to make the change. So once you are here, you'll be able to see this interface from where you can make snaps. So in order to unblock people on Instagram, you need to first go to the block center. For that, you have to tap on your profile option at the left upper corner. And from over here, you have to tap on your settings option at the right upper corner. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this interface where you can see all of your information. Among them, you have to scroll down a little bit where you'll be able to see blocked option at the button. Simply tap on blocked. And after that, you'll be able to see all the list of the person whom you have blocked. So in order to block, you can simply tap on the cross option at the right hand side of the person's ID. Simply tap on that and you have to go for yes. And after doing that, the person will be unblocked. So this is how you unblock people on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.